Day turned into night, then back into day. The moon now dominates the sky. Tides went wild. Satellites failed. Nothing on Earth is normal anymore. Debris from the moon is raining down. The impact hasn't happened yet, but it's close. So, what if the moon really did collide with Earth? No slow buildup, no mercy, just one catastrophic event after another. We're breaking it down step by step, from the first tremor to the final impact. Brace yourself. Let's get into it. The collision is just days away. Scientists detect a sudden shift in the moon's orbit. Emergency alerts are triggered across the globe. But a greater disaster is looming. The gravitational balance is breaking. As the moon gets even closer, the tides evolve into mega tsunamis. The atmosphere destabilizes, power grids collapse, satellites fail, GPS no longer works. Humanity witnesses a natural disaster unlike anything ever seen before. And finally, impact. The moon is 3,474 kilometers across. Its mass is just 1/81 of Earth's. But even that is enough to cause a planet-wide catastrophe. Earth's axis shifts. Seasons are thrown into chaos. The sky darkens for months. Plants can no longer photosynthesize. The food chain collapses. Earth becomes a planet reshaped by cosmic violence. Luckily, this is only a scenario. The moon remains in a stable orbit, for now. But in this universe, nothing is truly impossible. Could such a collision really happen someday? Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing disaster scenarios.